The assessment requirements include preparing two one-octave scales, this is for middle school, as well as preparing a solo piece that is approximately 2 minutes in length, and there will also be sight reading where you'll be asked to look at a piece of music that you've never seen before, and you'll have some time to study, and then we'll ask you to play just a part of it, just an excerpt of the sheet music. There will be some examples of these assessment requirements in a separate video so you can see what we're looking for. My best advice for applicants in preparing is to make sure you're practicing regularly. Some people have a private teacher that helps them to prepare, to make sure they're really covering all of the requirements. And then leading up to the assessment date, just playing through your prepared scale and piece for anyone you could find to listen and just kind of make you nervous, to put in that situation of playing through everything without stopping while someone is giving you their undivided attention and listening to you.